My Honda CB400 Super 4 now starts on fast ignition. In technical terms, no more hard starts. But what's a hard start? A hard start is when your motorcycle engine struggles to start up instead of firing right away when you press the starter or kick it. It takes several tries, cranking feels weak, or the engine coughs and sputters severally before it finally comes to life. It could be caused by compression, spark, or fuel delivery. Mine was caused by compression. To understand how that happens, let's do a crash course on combustion engines. Ever wondered how a bike moves or revs when you give it gas? When the gas you give it burns, it changes from liquid to gas. That gas expands super fast, basically a mini explosion in the cylinder. And those tiny explosions are what power your engine. All this is made possible by the piston, valves, spark plug, camshaft, and crankshaft. The piston is like a plunger moving up and down inside the cylinder. It goes through a 4-step cycle. Step 1. Intake stroke. The piston drops down, creating a vacuum in the valve, which then sucks in air and fuel through the inlet. Step 2. Compression stroke. The piston shoots back up, squeezing that air-fuel mixture tight. Pressure builds up and things get hot. Step 3. Power stroke. Spark plugs ignite the mix. Boom! The explosion forces the piston down, spinning the crankshaft, and that's what moves your car.